No, that's all. And I want to be down. John Mama, this hello. Yeah, John Mama, secretary. I'll pass your phone in my John Mama. Why? Oba, okay. Yeah, John and Mama. Let's say, Diaboko. Okay. This is a move, you know, more young. Sha. Na na want to play ni bi. Huh? Now we are there. Ya o bodam. Now we are there here. Say that ben when you to no. No. Akwo we ni to. When you to down na asoma man for mama moko. Ana do mo ye rituals. Na yi no so ben we here. Huh? La ni mu nye. Catch some George kwasi ampeni se o mala ni mu na ona mente won kan ye. What say? Mbe no jubilee house. Ah, okay. Okay. Na grandma ho. Ne yale ni mu aye dian na se stay e konkon. Jo jajimi no so nyansa. Monye ka kwan na wo Ghana no. Say say ma ba na wo so. Mo fa 4 years no. E ma Ghana fo wi se ma ba na e papa. Na se say dey say nkura duro na manu no ma se a nipa 8. Mo kwane musu ana se den. John. Wunni ma dokoro. Wunni empire bo wunni nti na wo ba ye wo kan se wunni empire bo yi. Na so foforo so kwase ampafo mu nko an ti be den. Ah, okay. Mema woni okun agema akasawa. Okay. Na pray no. Se jambe ni den. Ha? Ashe. Enti Jimmy usa ko jibo se awon yakoto helicopter. Na wo China for ho. Ja o bodam. John me pesa an kwasa asem no. Hello. Why busy? Say dem o da to bi hunu ntina me on pesa o nim be kasa no a. Onya to bi a. John, debi amakan me si ja Jimmy na mo wani na ho. Okay, we delete the kasa. Bye. They go so bi ma mente won. Bye. Bye. Na che Asiedu Nketia mama. Bye. Waja Jimmy no. Ugusun kakra. Okay, nyawe mbasesa. Bye. Say we aba e dia say munyina mutu mu hofo. And this for kan fu. Okay, bye.
Kasa kwan say enye da obatu bu atwa so fra wo. Ene mpafe e bechewo. Na wo kasa edua emubokoko a na no ne si. Akere bone edua babone a NDC John Mahama ene na mamu ne NDC fu twaye no today ye twa so aba na sabonsam gimu baabi a oda sani nsa beka no ha now infri ane mra OKUDZETO blakwa some hu ye babies with sharp teeth na no twa afi hwenani ase Ekufuado ni MPP for war power no Otanye wonu a wode officer won some of them the free voter region so special now omo Ghana je obi so they have this tribal sentiment political strategy okoka so de be enkanesa ato ahoy Kofi Awuno taxes no the ekura politics and omo dominate na mo akamfo ni so ma yedin. It will say a character, a charlatan like OKUDZETO. Now not I been think one. And then I know because for player kotiashi. Omo chop party mini pew. They don't care. What we say OKUDZETO as a foreign affairs minister. What Twitter cross say Matisen could that 16 be Mate what is why Hwenani ase. Utsirisu no mapampaso. Utsirisu eno mapampaso. Ufiseni edanyina ye modia we are all here ebusafo monti OKUDZETO ablakwa ebra no opposition osi Ekufuado play betia hwekrenti de yi tini o osi nanado play no tenemu na etehwe na ye de enya hwe sa play ninji ba kokuru asa ekura enya hwe nanado tenemu sa no wonkowu adwem bone adwem fi in politics okoka ne bi mu adwa se jai na mudi mania to mainstream media no eye corrupt no so na mutie wo mu time will tell now OKUDZETO yentie from 2013 Ebano, Nanado ba power was say, Nanado ntena plane no nko. Na ye day, tea video.
Have told you that this is a transoceanic and a transcontinental.
When he used it for watching
I was there for the UN General Assembly.
The engines failed. The engines failed.
Machines at the President Mahama 2015. President Mahama actually had 2 incidents, 30 minutes to. I mean, you don't. It was not something to be scary about. Look, it is not. Look, President Mahama had the same incident twice. It didn't stop President Mahama from using from using the Falcon.
Flying.
Look.
OKUDZETO no. Na me afi enne duana anwasi duana asu mu mokokuo no anwasi amane na no asesa ene yese busa de bi so enti OKUDZETO sesei wajatum sei no akokum nipa bebre chopper na tia hwe akum nipa enti ebe ne dai no busa an se sesei no be pese mampani John Mahama onko fix plane gugu no private jet wonye on fix munti ne nkwasi asem ne nsam fun o ka kire Ghana fo we ntina no odi di o matem kura such useless political class bogus nkurasafu abegu amamu mu chese wo twene ho awonte ase afedi enra no wo kwa omane Boamah mu ayi ase OKUDZETO ne yebisa ne sesese no jet ni bi ana chopper ni bi nya mampani won hyehye wonye munti OKUDZETO.
With what has happened, do you think the aviation sector needs a retooling? And the talks about the presidential jet, do we need a new one?
I will leave those matters for the investigative board that the president has commissioned to look into this tragedy. They should come up with their recommendations, and I'm sure they will come to us in cabinet. Leave those matters for the investigative board that the president has commissioned to look into this tragedy. They should come up with their recommendations, and I'm sure they will come to us in cabinet and in parliament.
Now, you feel OKUDZETO some tiny mra Asiedu Nketia general mosquito where ya was yinchauti and yet young cockra beto you be sacrifice a life and nafi nyemo mu ye no ye busano afi do Asiedu Nketia say ai yenhwe ye yenka ne ye o na hwe ye a yenyina ye bewu na me kura no na me ka ho na nka me kofo chopper ni bi akwa so nyame na atwole ene emfo chopper ni bi o emfo helicopter bi o because helicopter series so nyina no dodo na no ya cake mo akora na mokoto by 2013 50 mo na mokoto be si ho mokoto free China F4 na mko free $100 million na mo de ko o mo de ma mo no China for ne de ma Ghana no ene yese mo san fan to ye play na aboye so no na Mahama sa to ye nana mo pese ke nkoku akufuado ene anku akufuado na mo amaba ene eku Asiedu Nketia moa ene de mbokoro some na mkoje ba ye besa de mo akọ adwen fini politics stand tanya mo yaw sika mo brabu di pento obi antimi nka mo sem such useless political class yenti Asiedu Nketia afedi o say no woka ho na nka yini koku na fo wie no wo kwa sempa wo kodi nkomo tie general mosquito
maybe if it hadn't happened, something worse would happen. So we can't understand.
The path will not be smooth, but we will stand up to the challenge. And we are prepared to sacrifice everything. And I mean everything, including lives. I mean everything, including lives.
Asiedu Nketia yemfani na yamra lady be a friend ya dwantoa say why kokopa na ya dwantoa bi Public Utility Commission community PURC the hono no Mahama but twetumutu Mahama girlfriend sama me no say ya no wafa DBS wafa bibio and ne wo betwa tro akere Ghana for so wono 32 kwan na what play bi mu e man empire bo ne save Emirates Airlines say no pilot be catch us be no the air country omokowu wa sa wo maami we o maami ni we such bogus ignorant woman waiting a deep party and what two foot through Ghana for him. Play ben a Timua pilot with my by catcher and said you will be a Naya Canty, Yiku. I could force a four. Jimmy Nipa, my Ghana for by be brag night some pete at the same preco with that chim and how. San endis for your Ghana for preco or more your Ghana for say vulture and tefre. And just say, Jimmy Pan. In what sense? More two crime more video. And for pan or for flight as a flight nenya emergency. Pilot may catch them say maybe in the air can't more pay. Cause Yaki can say. Yagan to say, oh, two crime, momentin in some form or no, near be and an abayaba, walk cantam, tan, tire, media phones to a manaki carre, Tino.
Me experience with a me two crime pa. I've gone to so many countries. Yakaso be a flyer. My fly. Na my experience na ye ko Busan. OPUS na ye ko conference. Na edu baby no. Pilot no ka kire say ontimi nye bibia.
Oh. Hey, na wotimobi.
Na metimobi Emirates. Ye ko Korea. O say ontimi nye bibia.
Entimunya dey.
I said here.
I
know catch a you for no. One so be antennas. Now, Miss Show turbulent is a minu aquam. Is it turbulent, dear Miss Rupa? But pilots be catcher me say turbulence in the new. But say your friend is saying pilot cassette, a hostess in transit, dear Nassam. I know I or catch a soon to me.
Until was the sentence now, to go from question from.
I saw the sentence and Pipe na sem na maybe come. It's a one I start say. Bompa is a me bottom. Na me you say a point of contact. Me mano. Them sing young couple me your baby see a mission collar. Say no famia. Why the best uncle? Mammy be intimation, the papa be intimation. Me man, me jaw more. Don't know the names as upon I'm a boss or see or share me. I will see Amy be quacolane and in May. Why the best home? Me bompa yes, me bompa yes, me bompa yes. Me to say at the end as stabilizing. Na a pilot na back. Or say somebody prayed. I guess.
Okay, so somebody prayed, I guess.
Oh, yes, so somebody prayed, I guess. Something surprising has happened. The atmosphere has cleared.
And then prayer warrior na ya. Ono na my vampires agu so.
Me corner me ko Portugal. Na utim say turbulence and catching Yankopon say God, if you are here in the sky, if you are here with us, show me that you are here. Me see me trying to me dani menine rainbow. Tinipot me chanam se rainbow no na ya me hu hwe nam se rainbow me se obi rainbow no ene ye kosa till we landed. When we landed and vanish inti no sa ewiem because yo hu wonam wiem a woni ewiem tumi na ediesie o ti ase tumi e wo wiem inti woni ewiem tumi na ediesie o asase so ade asase tumi na ediesie inti esese wutimi ma sa weapons no of warfare no wutimi ye den eyi sa weapons no keys in the word in the Bible, the word in the Quran. I don't know Quran words no, but esese wutimi eyi keys no because you see say warfare ni ho anka Nyankopon anka wo Bible mu say warfare wo ho
na Akufo-Addo han private jet no na if he say Boamah neka but you will fi say he is the president or no ne or mine no eti say your focus in the say corner so we making sure say ya born who buy wa feel okay no president who go through stress mo agini now dey be adwuma no he what focus up one per the whole country fucked up this time round ye na ye ko benkum we are making sure say ya nya de efata no president bi enu ho betina so afibo president beba but ye na se ye ni ya e benefit obia Etiesre, Nketia, SSC a good presidential jet. President Akufo-Addo as a president, not a commercial flight to Kipamba, BA Emirates. Now, on 2 or 3 occasions, at the backs, a car was landing.
President.
One particular one, did 3 days, 3rd day, and say, now, me say, now one particular yibi, now or small bag beer, Timmy say, the documents being a manka, yeah, and dear video tree. Me say, ya can't say, what's it, the beer, me say, what did he say, you say, tea. John and Horse.
And then also do it to me, you know, the magician can be also
but you see, this is countries I am not a person who surprise African countries. Ekahui. One bet him near Swas can be beer. No matter packing paper who see a beer bag and so. Nobody want the other one. No, they go about it. It's identity unnecessary. Oba penny efasa stress no
politics aka say ye niska
e no ni asem no
na ne kai pass Dr. Boamah e show one me pay that time no more casafa presidential jet on mane ba be kan say nyema be bre e wo jet no assess ya is not in good shape and state kasa be bre ya dia manyo sem we tu we mane na say na do time na ayede na it me imagine ya the interval between time or mampany that two jets and then bra or more say is not in good shape or good state and see I can once in the ecoba even recently renowned journalist be a buyer no more say jets and media could see I think the one of France no you can see the big you can say or memo from my you so say top presidential jets
once a mona you be photo NDC kakra and the sense is say
ya dwan to ansem fo no now yemra NDC fo say asem ye won ya ho say eto wo mo aye wo ya na abranti bi say wo NDC ni ade ya katachi ni some of us no ye chirichire NDC suban bone wo musa awreho aba ne nso de sese ye kan ese ye kan ye sesan ni su anyansa frim NDC fo no atabafo no mo mpese mo su anyansa frim sem fun akwa bi wo ne katachi asa wa bodam nkasi akeka afi yewia monhwe media for no so no tell say my trust mo afi de o ma asempa o mo discuss and never catch us say gender ministry say won te say enkoda bi ewu afi ye pressure no the letter aba afi de media for no e wotete mo mainstream media no so no afi de o ma hunu ka bi hwe video na to so no drop your comments if from what this share ba ye be kan okura nko a kire dipa ye be dika hu ye for your foresight ye hu de be see wo vice president no nim say enkoda 17 ewu wonte eye wo fe wo jeje so say me na me penasam e be to mo busuafo wo de nka no kure wo wi ase na bebre ya no share video no da say
ba sebe o enkra na wo mo atu wo mo kwan meboa they went on the journey the travel on their own, so you cannot even equate these things. You cannot try to equate it. Mesuma me ba oja ho na ja kwahye no a kafra na me ka kire no na mansuma no okoja no ho na ja na hye no a me ka kire say mesuma ho. Is that not the question that you're going to ask? So what is OKUDZETO saying? What is he trying to do? What is he trying to achieve? Is he the only sensible person in this country? What kind of stupidity is this? And it's like Obian Kashin Chirano, and he has been doing this for far too long. What Jimmy to do?
What any positions are Ghana dear, yet there are some 2 years nipa.
Because Nkola 16 etimiwu in one road accident. A year national disaster. It's a disaster of crazy proportions. Say a whole ministry dedicated to Nkola. And the money is serious, no. Say any ministry dedicated to Nkola and a whole ministry dedicated to children.
No, what you were near Abedia, what is a Lupra Bohon will be a Casabia. None was our Chocrat, I was at Troya, was it just to take a moment, dear moment, and I will take ye. Enti, Yabesreno,
maame na fe nu waba oba ye menyi ni se be bo so me miensa kra